Hey guys, this is Kyle over here at Repairs Universe. I'm going to be showing you how to replace the Motorola Photon Q battery. Today's tools we're going to be needing the T3 screwdriver, the T4 screwdriver, and a metal plastic prying tool. Let's get started. Make sure your phone is off and all the SD card and SIM card is removed before you start any repair on any device. Go ahead and grab your plastic prying tool and go ahead and start from the bottom to take the back case off. Once you have it started from the bottom, you're going to work from the left side and slowly go around the corners to break the adhesive on the case. Once the clips give away, you can actually start to pull apart the back case from the device. Once we have the back door removed, we're going to be grabbing our T4 screwdriver or the Torque 4 screwdriver, and we're going to be removing 13 screws. Now again, some are black and some are silver. Make sure you make a pattern on your left hand side of where you're doing the repair of how many screws and which screws go where. Once we get the last screw out, we're going to grab our plastic or prying tool and going to have to go ahead and break the back of the back casing and take the casing completely off over the motherboard. And that's going to show us the battery. Take your time, do not bend or rat the particular casing because it can break or bend. Great, now the back casing is free. Now we're looking at the battery. We have two screws that are holding this battery action in place. It's going to be T4 to remove these two screws. These screws are going to be different from the first screws that we took out. They're going to be a different size and a different color. Once we have those removed, done. We're going to basically remove our bad battery and take him out and make sure you properly dispose of these batteries. Do not just throw them in your trash can. When you have your new battery replacement, go ahead and line it up perfectly from the metal back side to the metal front side and line it up perfectly. Remember where we put those two screws, and again it's going to be the T4 screws, and a little bit thicker and a little bit longer than the previous ones. Go ahead and lock those into place. And if you want to, right now you actually can turn it on and do a test to make sure that it's actually properly centered and it properly comes on the way it should be. Go ahead and grab the back casing and go ahead and lock him into place. Make sure to go around the corners and make sure it clips into place. Once he's clipped in place, we're going to grab our T4 screwdriver and remember the pattern of which screws go where. We're actually going to go from clockwise around the device. Now with our last screw in, we actually have the back casing on it. Then we're going to grab the back casing door and line it up from the charging port, which is the bottom right. Make sure you get that particular part in first, because that gives you a nice guide and basically a representation of where the door goes into place. Once we have them locked in, we can actually go around and clip it. That's it, guys. We just now replaced the battery on the Motorola Photon Q. If you found this review useful, please like us below. For more guides and reviews, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.